In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add an outer glow to objects in Photoshop step by step. Outer glow is one of the most powerful and easy to use layer styles in Photoshop, and you can use it to create neon text, glowing product highlights, gaming thumbnails, cinematic lighting effects, and even UI button glows. The best part is that it only takes a few clicks to apply. Make sure you watch until the end, because I'll also share some pro tips to make your glow look more professional and not cheap or overdone. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop tutorials like this. Now, let's jump right in. First, select the layer you want to apply the glow to. Go to your Layers panel and click on the Object layer. This could be text, a cutout subject, a logo, or any graphic element. Keep in mind that outer glow works best when your object has a transparent background, so if you're working with a cutout subject, make sure the background has been removed. Next, go to the bottom of the Layers panel and click the FX icon. This opens the Layer Style menu. From the list that appears, choose Outer Glow. As soon as you click it, the Layer Style panel will open and you'll see a glow appear around your object. Now let's adjust the settings to get the exact look we want. The first setting to look at is Blend Mode. For most glow effects, you'll want to use Screen or Linear Dodge Add. Screen gives you a softer glow, while Linear Dodge Add creates a brighter, more intense effect, which is perfect for neon designs. Next is Opacity. This controls how strong or intense the glow appears. Increase it for a brighter glow, or reduce it if you want something more subtle. Then click on the color box to choose your glow color. Bright colors like cyan, pink, yellow, or electric blue work extremely well for neon effects. You can experiment with different colors depending on your design style. Now adjust the Spread slider. Spread controls how thick the glow appears around the edge. A higher spread makes the glow more solid and defined. A lower spread keeps it softer. After that, adjust the Size slider. Size controls how far the glow extends outward from the object. Increasing the size gives you a wider, more diffused glow, while lowering it keeps the glow tight and close to the edges. Finally, use the Range slider to control the softness and fall-off of the glow. This helps you fine-tune how smooth the transition looks from the glow into the background. Once you're happy with the settings, click OK. And just like that, your outer glow effect is applied. Now let me share a few quick pro tips to make your glow look even better. First, for a soft cinematic glow, increase the size and lower the spread. This creates a smooth, atmospheric lighting effect. Second, if you want a stronger glow without pushing the sliders too far, duplicate the layer. This intensifies the glow naturally and gives you more control. Third, for neon text effects, combine a bright color with Linear Dodge Add and slightly increase the opacity for that vibrant sign style look. Here's a super fast shortcut method as well. Instead of clicking the FX icon, simply double-click on the layer itself, but make sure you don't double-click the name. Double-clicking the layer opens the Layer Style panel instantly. Then just enable Outer Glow and adjust your settings from there. This saves time once you get used to it. Outer Glow is commonly used for neon gaming thumbnails, glowing product highlights, movie poster lighting effects, and modern UI button designs. Once you start using it, you'll see how versatile it really is. And that's it. That's how you add an outer glow to objects in Photoshop quickly and professionally. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Photoshop guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.